Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The 5 steps involved from start to finish are: 1. Preparing for the season. 2. Determining when to tap. 3. Identifying the trees to be tapped and tapping them. 4. Collecting the sap and processing. Boiling, evaporating it. 5. Filtering, grading and packing the syrup.
Take our lead.
The basic recipe calls for 2 parts of sugar combined with 1 part of water. Double or halve the recipe according to the quantity you need. It has been observed that using just white sugar makes the maple syrup runny. Adding honey or brown sugar is a great idea that thickens the syrup and gives it a warm golden color.
Take our lead.
For the moment, people with diabetes should keep in mind that even if maple syrup contains some potentially promising elements, it remains a food that should only be eaten once in a while and in limited quantities, just like other sources of concentrated carbohydrates.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.